Namaskar plant lovers, welcome to my channel Be in Terrace. I have already made a video about impatiens. I have shown you this plant before. There are two impatient plants in one pot. One is this pink one, another one is white, and it has beautiful red borders. I have shown you how to repot them and the care. I have made a detailed video about it. I will link that video in the I button and I will share the link in the description. Today I will tell you how to take care of your impatiens after flowering and how you can get more flowers from impatiens. So if you also want this many flowers in your plant, then keep watching this video till last. I will share a very important tip about getting a lot of flowers at the end of this video. So keep watching. And before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's watch the video. You can see there are a lot of flowers. They stay fresh in the plant for at least 7 days, and there are so many flowers that they will cover up the whole area. You can't even see the leaves properly. Last week I have pinched some of them. I have pinched the spent flowers and there are new buds coming out. See, this is new bud. There are a lot more buds are coming out. Sunlight is very important for this plant, but it's a bit tricky because you can't keep them in very bright sunlight. They will die if you keep them in direct sunlight. Don't give direct sunlight, especially the sunlight of afternoon or around 12 p.m. or after 12 p.m. Now it is almost 4 p.m. Now it is almost 4 p.m. I have kept it in sunlight now because the light in 4 p.m. is not very bright, very harsh. They love sunlight, but they can't tolerate bright sun. You can give them the morning sunlight for 3-4 hours. That is very good for this plant, for their health. If you can give the morning sunlight for 3 to 4 hours, that will be best for this plant. But the afternoon sunlight is not very good for them. They can't tolerate that much heat. Don't let the soil get dry. If the soil gets dry, then the leaves will be droopy and the flowers will start to get dry and your plant will die too. So you always have to keep the soil moist, water regularly. Don't skip watering this plant. Give water every day, but not twice a day. Only give water in the morning. That will be enough for them. These flowers needs moisture, but don't make the soil soggy. Don't give too much water so that the soil gets soggy and that will cause fungus attack and there will be another diseases if you give too much water and the plant will die. These flowers are so beautiful. This one is pink, and this one is white and red borders. So many new buds are coming out. For this many plants, you have to give them proper nutrition. Liquid fertilizer is best for impatiens. They love liquid fertilizer. You can see my plant has grown so well. I haven't give them any chemical fertilizer. I only give them organic compost. Impatiens love organic compost. They need a lot of food. You have to give them food every month because as this plant is a heavy flowering plant. 1 cup of liquid fertilizer, apply directly in soil. Don't apply those fertilizer in, don't let the flowers or the leaves touch those liquid fertilizer. Give them directly in the soil. Don't even water in the don't give water in the petals or in the leaves. There will be fungus attack for that, so keep it in mind. Keep it in the sun after applying master cake fertilizer, because this liquid fertilizer will make the soil prone to fungus attack. That is why you should not apply liquid fertilizer on a rainy day or in a when there is cloud. Always apply liquid fertilizer. It can be any type of liquid fertilizer. You must apply them when it's a bright sunny day. The most important point is deadheading. If you want a lot of flower in your plant, deadheading is must. You can see how my plant has grown. There are 2 plants, I have already said, and you can see my pot. It has become so bushy. Impatiens grows like a bush, so it will be better if I planted 1 impatiens in 1 pot. This pot is pretty big, but still you can see that this space is not enough for 2 of them. This is the pot. Here is the pot, and the plant has grown till here, and it will be more bushy gradually. And for that you have to deadhead the flowers. Deadheading is very important. You can see the flowers. You have to pinch the old flowers. See, this one is getting dry, so I pinched it. There are many more dry flowers. This flowers has dried, and this is the seed of impatiens. If you leave it in the plant, you will get less flowers. Your plant will think that its life cycle is over and it will stop flowering, so remove it. There are this one dry flower. There are lots of dry flowers here. So deadheading is important. Cut the spent flowers. This will help to grow more branches. There will be more branches in your plant. This one. And there will be more buds. See, there are so many new buds are coming out. This one. There are too many new buds are coming. There are lots of buds here, here. Too many buds. But you have to pinch the flowers in the right time. This is the most important thing. If you don't pinch the flowers, if you don't start deadheading in right time, you will not get enough flowers. There are so many dry flowers. These flowers will get dry and they will stick to the leaves. See this one? This plant is so bushy that it will be hard to find the dry flowers. But you have to do it. You have to keep patience. Otherwise you won't get this many flowers. Impatiens are very pretty flowers. So this was it. Do these little things and I can assure you, you will have a lot of flowers in your impatiens plant. So that's it. Follow these steps in your garden and share with me the result. If you have any question regarding your garden or plants, ask me in the comment section below. I'll happy to answer them. If you want to see the flowers in my garden, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I have linked down below my Instagram and Facebook in description box. If you like my videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.